With such a profusion of planets, how could life have evolved only once? Even if the probability of its appearance were absurdly low, the universe is most likely teeming with life, especially since this universe is in constant transformation. Each day, 275 million stars, and therefore planets, are born. Just as many come to the end of their lives, and all are in constant motion. Human beings cannot even identify their own position, a position that is never fixed. To begin with, Earth's orbit. Racing around the sun at 100,000 kilometers per hour, something we are not even aware of. No more than we perceive that our entire solar system is itself propelled through the galaxy at an even greater speed. And our galaxy, like all the others, is itself in motion, rushing toward the nearest galaxy, Andromeda, at 720,000 kilometers per hour. Man, so superior, is in truth adrift in a cosmic ocean. In such an immeasurable universe, to claim there is no life is like plunging a glass into the sea and concluding it holds no fish. Humanity has no real idea of its place in the cosmos. Are we alone, or simply insignificant?